Hello, I'm Dr. Harrison Wright, a specialist in geriatric health, and today I want to talk to you about a silent epidemic that steals the peace of millions. Many of my patients come to my office resigned, believing that the tingling, the burning in their feet, and the nerve pain are simply things that come with age. They feel like their body is failing them, and they accept it as an inevitable sentence. But I'm here to tell you that they are wrong. What if I told you that a single vitamin, whose deficiency is incredibly common, could be the true cause of your neuropathy? Stay with me, because today I am not only going to reveal which one it is, but I will tell you the fascinating story of how this vitamin can literally save your nerves and give you back the life you thought was lost. Before we dive into the science, I want this to be a community of support. Take a second and tell me in the comments, have you felt these stabs or numbness in your feet? Please write in the comments, Doctor, I want to protect my nerves. By sharing your story, you help others realize they are not alone in this journey. Pause. You see, our body is an incredibly complex communication system, and at the center of it is the nervous system. Imagine that your entire body is covered by miles and miles of very fine electrical cables. Those are your nerves. They carry orders from your brain to your muscles so you can move, and they bring information from your skin so you can feel the warmth of the sun. Now, think of those cables having a protective layer, an insulator. In our bodies, that layer is called the myelin sheath. It is a fatty substance that ensures electrical signals travel at the correct speed, without interference or short circuits. Neuropathy, in essence, is what happens when this myelin sheath is damaged. It is like having a frayed wire. The electrical signal gets distorted and escapes, causing sparks. And those sparks are the pain, the tingling, and the burning you feel. When those wires go to your feet, you lose balance. When they go to your hands, you drop things. If the damage advances, you might even stop feeling the ground beneath you, which dramatically increases the risk of falls and fractures. This is not just getting older. This is a condition that is destroying your quality of life, and it often happens because of things we do every day. One of the ironies of modern medicine is that some medications we use to control chronic diseases can create other problems. For example, metformin is the star drug for type 2 diabetes, used by millions. It is effective, but it interferes with the absorption of vitamin B12 in your intestine. The same treatment that helps your sugar levels might be silently emptying the reserves of the very vitamin that protects your nerves. The same happens with popular antacids, like omeprazole. To extract B12 from your food, you need an acidic environment in your stomach. If you neutralize that acid day after day, the vitamin simply passes through without being absorbed. This leads us to the hero of our story, vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. Its history is a saga of medical mystery and Nobel Prizes. Back in the 19th century, doctors described a terrifying and fatal disease called pernicious anemia. Patients became pale, weak, and developed severe neurological problems. No one knew the cause until doctors discovered that feeding patients raw liver could miraculously save them. Eventually, scientists isolated a deep red crystalline compound with a cobalt atom at its center. This molecule is the master electrician that maintains your myelin sheath through a process called methylation. Without enough B12, the protective layer of your nerves begins to degrade. The wires become frayed, and the short circuits begin. But the beauty of this story is that you can change the ending. To reclaim your nerve health, you first need to know where you stand. If you have symptoms of neuropathy or risk factors like being over 60 or taking metformin, you must get tested. However, a standard blood test can be misleading. I always look for optimal levels, not just normal ones. Once a deficiency is found, the choice of the right B12 is crucial. Most cheap supplements use cyanocobalamin, a synthetic form your body struggles to use. I recommend methylcobalamin, which is the bioactive form the body uses to rebuild the myelin sheath. If you have digestion issues, sublingual drops or tablets that dissolve under the tongue are a great option because they go directly into the bloodstream. Of course, B12 is the star of the show, but every star needs a supporting cast. For your nerves to truly heal, you need a team of nutrients. This includes vitamin B6 and folate in their active forms, and especially magnesium, which acts as a voltage regulator to calm the system. Another powerful ally is alpha-lipoic acid, a potent antioxidant that improves blood flow to the nerves and reduces burning and numbness. And while supplements are key for correction, your diet is the foundation. Focus on animal-sourced foods like salmon, beef, eggs, and shellfish. If you follow a plant-based diet, supplementation is not optional. It is mandatory for your survival. Today we have unmasked the myth that nerve pain is an inevitable sentence. We have seen how our daily life can empty our reserves of this crucial guardian. But most importantly, we have traced a plan of action. The pain and weakness are not something you have to live with. Your body has an amazing capacity to heal, but it needs the right materials. Recheck your levels, consider active forms like methylcobalamin, and don't forget the support team. If this has opened your eyes, and you want to keep discovering the secrets that conventional medicine sometimes forgets, please subscribe to the channel and join our community. As a next step, I recommend you watch my video on the 3 foods that damage your nerves the most. Before you go, remember to leave your comment. Doctor, I am taking control of my health. I am Dr. Harrison Wright, and it has been a pleasure talking with you. I'll see you in the next video.